Good morning, beautiful people. Starting a vlog, I'm always like, what should I say? Like every single time. But I hope you guys are having an amazing, amazing, amazing day so far. I hope you had a great Easter this past weekend. So today is Monday, getting into the groove of things, getting things going for the week. So I had a lot going on, so I thought I would vlog today. I have a lot of slime and more businessy type stuff to get done today, and it's been a while since I did like something slime related on my vlog channel. So I thought I would do that today. I got some PR boxes to go through that I want to get put away. I've been like saving, I wanted to do like a tiny mini, it's like seriously mini PR unboxing, and then I'm gonna do some stuff downstairs in my slime shop. So I actually just have 2 boxes. I don't get a ton of PR boxes anymore now that I do slime. Most of my packages are slime related. But when I do get some, I get so excited. So these companies obviously don't know that it's in a vlog, but I've been getting this Ipsy Glam Bag Plus since it first came out now, and I've been loving it, you guys. I think I've shared it a few times on here, but you get like 5 or so full-size products, and they're always amazing and like really nice brands that you've actually heard of. So here is this. This is actually from like last month. I haven't unboxed it yet. I'm probably going to be getting another one soon. Oh my gosh, I love Pixie. So I've noticed they do like a ton of mascara. I usually get a mascara in every one, which I really like. So this is the Pixie mascara. And then, oh, I've been so excited. I've never tried, I think it's Huda Beauty. I've heard a lot about them. This is just a little Smoky Obsessions eyeshadow palette. Oh, this is actually pretty. Sometimes they send like funky colors, but these are all colors I would actually wear. This is the Benefit Sunbeam Highlighter. I might actually give this to my sister because she loves highlighter, and I have so many, but I think it's amazing just that they include like well-known brands in here. And then I got the Candy Johnson Times Perlice. I'm like terrible at pronouncing everything. This is a body butter, which is nice. And then some makeup brushes. These look nice. These are Farrah. So I really love these. I'm always super surprised, and they really have a good mixture of what they send every month, which is nice. So next I have this package. I actually Instagrammed, or did like an Instagram post on this, from Bioderma, and they started sending me packages, and I have no idea how, but I am so not mad about it, because I swear last time they sent me a ton of dry skin stuff like at the beginning of winter when my skin was awful, and like I literally have the lotion still sitting on my desk, and Andy and I have been using it like crazy. And this time I had literally just run out of my micellar water, and it was in here, so I was like, oh my gosh, they read my mind. So this is really cute. This is like one of those little Eternal Roses. I always see these everywhere, so that's super cute. I've never had one before. So this is what I am most excited about. I don't know what the rest is, but I saw this when I opened it and I was like, yes, this is their micellar water, which I use all the time. That's all I use to take off my makeup because it never is like oily, and it just, I don't know, I really love them. I've never tried this one, so I'm super excited. I usually use the Garnier one, and I literally like just ran out, so I'm very excited to try this one out. Oh my gosh, this is also, okay, so funny. I literally just ran out of face cleanser too. I've been like using Andy's, and this is a mild cleansing foaming gel. Normally I like cleansers with like a little beads in it just to kind of buff my skin a little bit, but I'm gonna have to try this because I love all their products that I've tried so far. This is a eye gel. Anti-puffiness, soothes and moisturizes sensitive skin. Awesome, because I have sensitive skin and my bags are real. So I'm so excited to literally try all this. Like, I've used all of their products. And then these will be great for traveling. These are like the makeup wipes. I don't use these like on a daily basis, but when I travel, this is definitely something that I use a lot. So I am so excited. And real quick, before I go downstairs and start working, I need to clean my desk. It has been driving me absolutely nuts at how like just messy it gets all the time. And yeah, it needs a good cleaning. It's Monday. I need a fresh slate to get started for the week. Okay, I don't know why I don't do this more often. That literally took no time at all and it looks so much better. The only thing I have left is like my lotion, just a few little things here. I leave my lens that I switch out. I know I've lost my lens cover, so not very good. Then I have like my daily devotional and the Bible. I've been trying to read like a few chapters every day of it to read the entire thing. So I'm not sure if I want to leave it out on my desk, but I'm just going to leave it there for now. And now I could go downstairs and get started. We are downstairs in the slime workshop. So I have a ton of boxes of supplies and stuff I need to unbox, put away on the shelving over here, and then also break down the boxes because it could get overwhelming in here very fast. Amber is over here working on orders, and then we need to clean up like this whole mess and start prepping for the restock. And then we also have to start prepping for a couple conventions. So this is kind of a mess, so we need to make lots of room. First, I'm just unboxing some glue. I got quite a bit of glue in today just to kind of top up my supplies of what I already had. And I hate like all the boxes inside of boxes. It seems like it takes forever to open them all and break them all down. But I definitely have to recycle them. Like, I'm super pro recycling and everything eco-friendly. And then I have all of these clay boxes. So I just didn't take them out of the packaging. Each package has about 8 bars of clay in it. And then here is just more glue. Now I'm just taking all the supplies that I just unboxed and putting them in their place on the shelf, and I ran out of room for glue, hence why I need like a new shelving system. And then I'm just also unboxing a ton of bubble mailers that I had and just putting those in their slots as well. Okay, I'm officially out of breath because all those boxes were super heavy to like lug around. But as you can see, it's all nice and stocked now. I had some extra glue, but we'll be using those soon. And all the extra clays I just put up there. I didn't unpackage them because I'm just gonna leave those here. I definitely probably need another shelf soon. I'm gonna try to hold off until we move into our new house. Some of the stuff up here could be organized a little better, but these shelves are pretty well organized. So these over here are all the slimes we need to start packaging. And then there's also some big containers. Don't mind the Elmer's glue. It had like a crack in it and it was spilling everywhere. Slime is like the messiest business ever, I swear. But I'm gonna finish this one. I think I'm gonna do a few big batch videos upstairs and film them for my Instagram. I wanna do that one. And this is like half. Whoa, it looks so vibrant on camera. This is half of a jelly slime. So it is going to be mixed with this one up here. It's gonna be layered actually. So I kind of wanted to do like a big batch video. So we'll see. So we got this big thing of clearing up right now. Almost there. We just mixed 2 batches together, so one was pretty much clear and one wasn't. So it's just gonna all clear up. This is like our clear prep for World Slime Convention and for Slime Ganza, because we're gonna need a ton. So this is just like the first little bit. All right, so I am back inside. I just have 2 batches that I decided to film like a big batch Instagram video for. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm super excited. This restock, I'm gonna have a couple brand new, like you guys know the slimes I keep always in stock. I'm switching them out. I am keeping cake, why am I blurry? I am keeping cake batter just because it's such a classic and forever my favorite and bestseller. But I'm switching out the rest, so I'm so excited to show you guys like the new slimes. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. This first one is gonna be one of them and I'm so excited. So this one is gonna be called Oreo Flurry and it's going to get And then it's gonna get like these fake cookie crumbles and then also some of these rainbow sprinkles. So I'm gonna top it for the video, but of course once I package it, there'll be more of each of the toppings in it. And then each person's gonna get a couple of the styrofoam balls in it. Still playing around with like how many are going to fit like in a batch like this. So I'm super excited. So I'm making some lunch, took a little lunch break, and I'm trying this new recipe. you can't hide from the camera. So I've been trying to cut out meat a bit, and I go through stages. I really wish I could just go full force like vegan or vegetarian. So I try, especially when the meals are just for me and Andy's not here. So right now, I'm trying this avocado egg salad, which I literally just started eating avocado. So I just chopped up some raw peppers, some red onion. I'm gonna squeeze some lemon on it, and I'm hard boiling some eggs over there. And then I'm just gonna like mix it all together, and hopefully it's gonna taste good. This is the first time I'm just kind of like throwing whatever I have in there, so we shall see. So this is what it looks like, and it tastes so much better than it looks. It looks like a green mashed, not quite guacamole, but it's really good. We're gonna have Amber try it, and it doesn't smell very good. She's repping the slime squad. Eat it. Well. So we are down here packaging slimes now. I'm working on mixing this. She's mixing that. This next one is going to be a Rice Krispie theme slime, and this is like a snow fizz slime with like plastic snow, and it's going to be a rainbow one. So I'm adding tons of sprinkles into it, and then it's going to be topped with sprinkles as well. These are my favorite. They're just so pretty. For this one, I'm doing like, this is a cloud cream. I'm doing like a funfetti swirl. So I'm going to be dipping it in these rainbow foam beads and then topping them with some sprinkles. So I just want to show you guys like how I mix everything and swirl it, and it's just so satisfying. So I like to take a little bit of each color, just kind of pinch it off like so. And then I'm just going to dip one side in the foam beads and start to swirl, and it's so pretty. So then when you actually go and push it in the container, it mixes really nicely, and it like marbles it. So it comes out so cute. Then I'm just gonna top it with some sprinkles, and that will be it for that one. Alright, so we got all of these stocked up, and then we're just picking up down here, getting things situated. Here we had some leftovers that we're gonna wait to package for later. I absolutely love how they all came out, especially this one. This one is my like super favorite. This jelly donut is also really awesome. It has like a jelly base and then a thick top on it. They all came out just so much fun. I love them. So this restock is gonna be up on Thursday. So I'll be doing a restock video and everything so you can see all the different textures of all of them. But these guys are gonna be in it. Well, some time has passed. It is about 7 o'clock. I love this time change. It's so beautiful and sunny out today. I got to see Andy for a whole like 30 minutes after he got off work today, and then he's off to school until 9 o'clock. So he has a busy day, so I like to be productive while he's away. So the first thing I'm doing is, well, I needed a ton of little extra goodie bags because I am completely out. We used the last today, like literally to the number. So I got this new thing here, this PayPal here, I need to get set up on my iPad for the conventions and stuff. I haven't used it yet, so it's a card swiper, so I just want to set it up and make sure everything's working. And then I'm literally gonna sit here and package up all these extra bags. I always just like pop on some TV and get everything set up. So here are all the candy. I definitely am like low. I didn't realize how low I was on stuff. I have like a bag of this mix here. Sour Patch, my go-to. These are like the big individual ones. Got a whole box full of Airheads. And then here are some that I pre-assembled last time, the little borax baggies with my borax sticker on it. Then we have a pile of business cards, and these are more business cards, so many. These are my old logo. I just had so many, I want to use them up before wasting them, and then I'm going to replace them with my new logo. And of course, instructions on the back. I'm also super low on these. This is what everything kind of goes together in. I have tons more borax baggies and more downstairs. This is just kind of what I brought upstairs. And I make and print these borax stickers myself, so I have just like a ton of them in there. There's like 1,000 in a pack. This is like a process. I usually do this. I leave it like in my living room for like 2 days straight, and then the evening times, like when Andy has school or whatever, I'll just sit down, watch a movie, watch some TV, and just get it done. Yes, I could pay someone to do this or have Amber do it, but I don't know. I don't mind it, honestly, and it's kind of like something, I don't know, I kind of like repetitious task, oddly. So while I watch TV, I honestly don't mind. And it does take a while, but I usually do this only like once a month, once every other month, and I just get this box here. Like, as you can see, it's completely empty, but I get it like almost full, and then just stock up. And Luna's like chilling back here. She loves plastic for some reason. I don't know what her problem is, so I have to be careful to like pick up all the little plastic pieces. But yeah, I'm just gonna sit here. As you guys saw, the box is empty, so let's see how many I can knock out by the time Andy gets home. Whew, all right, it's about bedtime. Andy just got home. I need to take a shower. I got about half a box full, so I am pretty happy so far with this. This is like so satisfying. So there is quite a bit in here. It's really hard to tell. It looks like pretty empty, but it's about half full. So I'm gonna have to I ran out of these little cellophane bags. So I need some more of those, and then I could finish them up. But I am officially tired. My back is killing me because I don't know why I always sit on the floor when I do this, but I do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and enjoyed the restock, and this restock will be up really, really soon this week. You can check my main channel and it'll be up on the same day the restock video goes up. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.